Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. This is Rody Streets. If today is your first time visiting my page, you are welcome, and to all returning subscribers, thanks for following. In this video, I will be showing you how to make delicious Ghanaian puff puff, popularly known as tobe. The recipe is easy to follow and the ingredients are easily accessible. Just look at how soft and moist it is. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I guess I'm already whetting your appetite. Without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. In a mixing bowl, I'll be adding some flour, sugar, cinnamon, yeast, and salt. I will now mix all together and create a hole in the middle. You can find a list of ingredients and their measurements in the description box. I will gradually add some warm water while mixing. So I'll continue mixing and adding water until I have a smooth and sticky batter. This is the exact consistency I'm looking for. You can add a little more water if you want it a little bit softer, but I feel this consistency is just fine. If you're already liking this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I will then cover it with some towels and allow to proof for about 1 to 2 hours or doubled in size. So after 2 hours, our batter has doubled in size and we are ready to fry. I'm gonna mix it again while my oil is on fire, then use my hand to scoop and fry. For those of you who would not want to put your hand in the butter, don't worry, keep watching the video. I have another option for you. I will then go ahead and drop my butter in the oil. Please make sure the oil is hot before dropping it in it, and also make sure you fry under low heat. Toss and turn occasionally so they can be evenly cooked. Remember to fry under low heat to avoid burning and fry until it's golden brown. Our tobe is already given. My puff puff is ready now, so I'm going to take it out of the oil and put on a parchment paper to drain excess oil. So if you don't want to use your hand to scoop the butter, you can use a ladle to scoop it just as I am doing in the video. So you are just gonna scoop it and drop it into the oil and you are good to go. But then I prefer using the hand method because I feel it gives it a rounder shape than using the ladle. That's my opinion though, but it might just work fine for you. Look at these beauties. Just look at the color. It looks so nice and delicious. Trust me guys, you are gonna love this recipe. It's very simple. You just need few ingredients and you're good to go. You can have this as breakfast with any porridge of your choice. I'm taking mine with some rice porridge, and I love it. It's really delicious. Just try this recipe and you're gonna love it. Let me know what you would like to eat this with in the comment section, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And remember, this is Ready Streets. Bye.